In this chapter, we'll look at functions, including domains and ranges of functions, and we'll also look at graphs of linear equations. Determine whether the ordered pair is a solution of the given equation. The ordered pair is 12, negative 3. The equation is x plus 4y equals negative 20. To determine whether it's a solution of the equation, we substitute 12 for x, negative 3 for y, and see if that gives us a true statement. So let's begin by rewriting our equation. X plus 4y equals negative 20. And then we'll substitute underneath. Substituting 12 for x plus 4 times negative 3. We ask ourselves if that is equal to negative 20. This gives us 12 plus a negative 12, which is 0. And the question is 0 equal to negative 20? Well, no, that's not true. 0 equals negative 20 is a false statement. So we would simply write that the ordered pair is not a solution of the given equation, or we can just say no.